Now you've learned about the plasma membrane, which is the innermost layer of the cell. Next, you're gonna study layers external to the plasma membrane. Welcome back for another interesting topic of microbiology. In this part, you will be introduced to the bacterial cell wall, its structure and functions. The cell wall is a rigid layer that lies just outside the plasma membrane. You can imagine this layer as the walls of a room. It's a very important structure for the following reasons. First, it maintains the shape of the bacterium. Second, it helps protect the cell from osmotic lysis. Also, it helps protect the cell from toxic material. And in pathogenic bacteria, these are bacteria that cause diseases, it can contribute to pathogenicity, which means the ability of the bacteria to cause diseases. The bacteria are divided into two major groups based on a stain developed by Christian Gram. Gram-positive bacteria stain purple, whereas Gram-negative bacteria stain pink to red. This is due to structural differences of the cell wall of these groups. In a simple description, Gram-positive cell wall consists of a single layer of peptidoglycan lying outside the plasma membrane. In contrast, as you can see in the figure, the Gram-negative cell wall has a peptidoglycan layer and an outer membrane layer. A periplasmic space is found between the cell wall of Gram-positive bacteria and the plasma membrane, which is also found between the peptidoglycan layer and the outer membrane of a Gram-negative bacteria. Don't worry, more details is given about these two groups in the following discussion. Let's study the peptidoglycan structure. As you already know, peptidoglycan layer exists in both Gram-positive and Gram-negative cell walls. Peptidoglycan is a mesh-like polymer composed of many identical units. Each unit contains two sugar derivatives and several different amino acids. To summarize in this topic, we now know that the cell wall is a very important structure for the bacterial cell. Also, we know that bacteria are divided into two major groups, Gram-negative and Gram-positive, due to differences in their cell wall. Gram-positive bacteria, their cell wall is mainly thick layer of peptidoglycan. However, Gram-negative bacterial cell wall is made up of thin layer of peptidoglycan and an outer membrane layer.